Eating together. This is the first. OMG. Okay, let me open this first so you can see them better. They're actually eating together. How cute. They're such cute little birds. They keep looking at the camera every 2 seconds though. Oh, they look like little humans. Bride and groom. Angel, eat. Eat, Angel. Eat. Stop staring at Gabrielle's head. Eat. Whatever. Gabrielle, you're so cute. She's so cute, isn't she? I know, she's like a little baby. She's only 2 months old. She's so cute. Angel, he's serenading to her. He's serenading. What? He's singing to her. She's like, Angel, what do you want? I always try to figure out what you're saying. And she never talks. You just sit there and like sing to her all day. And she just never talks to you. I don't want to take the camera off of them. Oh, she's up, she's up, she's up. She's up! The wonderful bird is up. Hello, Gabrielle. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Now do something. Okay, I'm going to try to put her on my finger. Okay, I'm going to try to put her on my finger. Oh, she's scared. She's scared. Okay, birdie. This is her long tail. She has a very long tail. His tail's like annoying and short, but whatever. That's them. I'm tired of making videos of them now, so bye.